Sea stars are echinoderms, and perhaps this is a slightly more appropriate term than starfish, given that they are obviously not fish. Not only can they be found in waters in the Eastern Pacific, a diversity of species can be found. So even in the Gulf of California or the Sea of Cortez around Baja California, one can find diverse species living there. In general, they move along the ocean floor and the surface of corals and rocky reefs to prey on algae, marine invertebrates, and other small living things. And these starfish themselves can then be a food source for predators. So this diversity is important. Different species can have different adaptations. So, for example, the crown of thorns sea star is one of the largest sea stars in the world. They can measure over a foot in diameter. They can have more than 5 arms, up to 21, and they have venoms in their spines on the dorsal surface. These are an important predator of corals, and a single crown of thorns sea star can prey on an area of coral of about 60 square feet over the course of a single year. There is a bacterium that has a vibrio shape, a comma shape, so it is a vibrio bacterium, which causes a disease known as the sea star wasting syndrome. This has dramatically affected some populations, causing up to 90% declines in some. The warming waters due to climate change is increasing the spread of this disease. And therefore, this not only affects the sea stars, but then the entire marine ecosystems. So, for example, these sea stars, if there's less of them, there is less food for their predators. But also, since they control a number of marine invertebrates, such as sea urchins, then sea urchin populations then rise, which then increase the sea urchin predation on kelps and on corals.